Free sport TV apps for your Fire TV. Let's go. First thing you're going to do, hit them 3 lines. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go to My Fire TV. This is specifically for you new ones. You'll see About. You press it. You'll get Fire TV. You're going to press that 8 times if you are new to the Fire TV stick. That'll make you a developer. As you see, the message says no need for me because I'm already a developer. So once you become a developer, you go back. And you're going to go down to developer options. You see that right there? Once you go to developer options, you're going to make sure AD debugging is turned off. All right, so after that, we'll click home. We're going to go to the magnifying glass and we're going to search for downloader. Type in D and there it is there. Install that. Press it again. It's going to download it. Boom. You'll get a round circle once it's downloaded. You see the round circle right there. You're going to go up to your URL, the URL button, and we're going to type in this here. And no, I don't shove the VPN, IP vanish, and all that like other creators do down your throat. We all know that you should get one. That's common sense. Next, to the round circle cursor. And there it is. So we will choose, of course we'll choose the Android option. We'll go to settings. We'll enable downloader to turn on. That'll allow downloader to work with installing. You're going to go down, you see your red cursor. We're going to click this right here, the Android box. Boom. All right, it's going to download it. Now we're going to install it. Boom. It's going to install. What we're going to do, we're going to click open. Not yet. Click on done. We're going to delete the files to save storage on your device. Now we're going to press the home button. Now we're going to go back to the 3 lines. You're going to go back to settings. Remember, you are developer option now. So you just go to My Fire TV. We're going to go to developer option, install unknown apps, and we're going to turn unlinked on. That will allow us to process it now. All right, so after we've enabled unlink, now we'll just we'll go back to your home and just click the unlink and you'll click open. Now it's going to open it. And that is what you're going to go up into. So now you got to add a library. We're going to click yes. I already got one. I'm going to give you this one here. And this one right here will be in all caps. Once you get that, you're going to go to next. And it's going to install that library. Boom, there you go. That's the other one. So this is where we're going to get the free sports TV app right here. I'm going to go enter. This is what we're looking for right here. You see the categories. I'll show you all that. So we're going to click on this one right here. This is the one that we'll get. So we will press that one. And we'll press that right there. And this will be the After Effects. Once you press that, you will have exactly what you're looking for. So we'll press that there. And you'll see that. And then you will click install that. And after you install it, you are good to go. You'll see that check mark there. And you click on home. And you go to your apps. And it should be the last thing we install. And there it is right there, guys. That is what you want. And you will see the spelling of it up top. Start with the A. That's all. No IP vanish stuff shoved down your throat. No ExpressVPN shoved down your throat. You know that you must have a VPN. That'll be all for this video. Have any questions, let me know. Hit the like button. Subscribe, and share with your friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.